Today I want to give you guys a review of this PetSafe doggy door, cat door, pet door, whatever you want to use it for. So this is size medium. My dog is just under 50 pounds and she loves this, and we could not live without a dog door. I don't know how pet owners do it without it because it's seriously a lifesaver. They can go in and out when they want. And this one is extra special. So it is a 3 flap. So it has the flap that's magnetic, then this is like a little weight, and then a flap on the other side, and I'll show you guys from the other side as well. But what this does is, as you can see, it flaps, and you have 2 magnets. So what happens is when the wind comes, it's not going to blow open. And I've seen this with so many dog doors where over time, just by going in and out so much, the magnets start to wear off and they're not as strong. And so the wind blows it open and it will basically stay open, and then you just get dust and a disaster in the house, and then that's going to let things in that you don't want to come in. It also has a place to put this little cover, which I'll show you guys, but having that triple flap is an absolute must. I'll show you guys on this side. So I'll open this, and again, that triple flap. Look at that. So again, this little flap, this flap, and it's super easy. Like, look at, like, that's no pressure. And so the dog will just kind of nudge and boom, it'll go. And over time, again, it will get easier and easier. So in the very beginning, the magnets are stronger. So that is one thing. We've had this installed for, what, 4.5, 5 years, which is crazy. And it's held up and it looks amazing. Then we come right here, and then you've got this, and you can come right here, and you can put this flap right there. And just like that, you have a way to make sure that this is nice and safe. And this is that saver right there. And this is not coming up unless you pull this out. And so that is one thing that's really cool, is it has that kind of safety mechanism right there. So you just pull this, and that's like the lock, if you will. So overall, super easy install. You cut it out, you put the frame in, super easy. Awesome product. Definitely recommend this one. Again, this is a must-have, the triple. So if you have a door that is just a standard door, then this is the one that you want. But they have ones that you can go through, like the wall, for different thicknesses and whatnot. But this door one, that triple flap, is a must-have.